Honey, I'm home. Your baby's back.
Wow, are you serious?
Yes, baby.
Wow, welcome back.
What is it?
What's this?
What's what? Jesus.
What's the meaning of this? You're coming back from your long time trip and you're coming back with this on your shoulder?
What's that?
You're asking me what's this? So this is what you have been doing?
Babe, I don't know how did that even get on me?
You're supposed to know. You can't tell me you're not aware of this.
I don't know how that got on me. I have no idea.
So it's true.
What is true?
You're really cheating on me.
What?
Can you imagine?
What? What do you mean by that?
You are really cheating on me.
Come
Why
on,
would you do
babe,
this?
don't
Why would you do this?
Stop saying that.
Can you imagine? Look at. What's going on? Imagine my husband coming back from a long time trip with a pant on his shoulder.
Hey! I told you.
You told me, of course.
Wait.
You did.
Told you what?
And this is still wet and warm. To show you that this thing, like the person is not even far from here. You just had it. Can you deny it?
Confidence.
Can you deny it?
Confidence, what are you saying?
I told you, these men are the same. These men are, when I had issues with my husband, I was telling you that none of them is even different from each other.
What?
They cheat.
What are you saying, Confidence? Babe,
So you're being a cheater. Don't talk to me.
babe, stop saying this. You
Stop talking to me.
You know me. You know that I would never cheat on you. I've never done that.
It's a lie. Do you know how many times he even...
How can you explain this on your shoulder? How can you explain this on your shoulder?
I don't know. That's what I'm telling you.
You should know. You should know. How can you not know? Because I am sure this catapult is not even your wife's size.
I don't wear this kind of a thing. I don't wear this thing.
You want slim girls, Abby? You married my sister slim.
Oh my goodness.
See, pack your things. Let's leave this house. Leave this marriage for good. I don't know what to do.
I didn't know you were
Confidence, are you supposed to be saying this? You are supposed to be trying to make peace between us.
Oh.
I don't understand what your mission is.
You have been hitting on me. Is it because I did not tell my sister?
Me?
Serious?
Do you know how many times? Countless times.
Hey!
Confidence!
Are you serious? My sister!
I swear to you, she's lying.
I don't believe you.
She's lying.
With this, I don't believe
So
you.
you will be lying and still be swearing. Sister, if I were you, I'll just go in there, pack every belonging of mine, and leave this house for good.
Honestly, I'm leaving.
Baby, don't
call me. I'm leaving.
Don't do this.
Go and bring your things.
What is your problem, Confidence?
I told you, I've been throwing myself at you. You rubbished me. You made me look like
Is that
nothing.
why you're doing
Look
this?
at me. Look at how soft I am.
So you want to ruin your sister's relationship?
You left me. You left me. You want to be faithful.
Confidence. Come on, help me, please. Help me.
Babe. Babe.
You're so wicked.
We'll carry this
You're
man
mean.
as evidence.
After everything I did for you, I've been here with you for a very long time. I've suffered with you. I've tried to grow this family with you, and this is all you have
Stop
to do.
lamenting, my sister. Stop lamenting. Let us go. Excuse
You're
me.
so wicked.
Wait. Babe.
Wait, what?
Wait.
Stop. See, leave this man.
Wait, please, honey, please, sweetheart, just give me 2 minutes. I just, please, hold on. Please, let me.
Come. Men has come. Let's go.
Don't go anywhere. Look at this. Babe,
Look at what are you looking at?
Look at this. You see?
What?
You see why I told you that it was a good idea for us to have a CCTV installed in the house?
Wait, you who have CCTV camera?
Of course.
Of course, we installed the camera. We installed the camera before I traveled.
This is what you did.
What? Which thing? Let me see.
You see?
So you. What?
If your husband
What is AI?
Shut up! He's tech inclined. Are you telling me what I don't know? Your husband is tech inclined.
So this part
he just
is yours.
generated it now.
AI generated.
Yes.
Would I know the clothes you are going to wear when I come back? You are
Do I
telling me
know?
AI
You
generated.
are technologically inclined.
Shut up!
So how would I have known?
You're very evil. Look at you. This is how you ended your marriage. This was exactly what you did to your husband that made him throw you out from the house.
Please don't use my.
I accommodated you in my own house, and this is the only way to pay me back. Confidence. This is the only way you could pay me back for everything I did for you. You're so wicked. You're mean. Confident, go inside and pack your things and leave.
I'll pack my things and
go inside and pack your things and leave.
You want to still remain in your husband's house?
Come on, get out.
My own husband has left me, and you still want to be in your husband's house. Are you not ashamed of yourself?
You're very
Must
wicked.
we all be married? Everybody must not be married. You
Let me
want
pack
my things and leave.
Honey, can you imagine? Can you imagine this girl? Simply because she's no longer married to the husband, she want me to leave my own marriage? Can you imagine? Like, how can people be this wicked?
Be quiet, be quiet. Be quiet. So, if we had not installed this CCTV, like I suggested, this is how I would have come home, this thing happened, and you would have not given me a chance. After 5 years that you and I have been together, you have never caught me cheating. Such a thing happened, and you didn't even... In fact...
You're not supposed to blame me. It's not my fault. It's not my fault. Welcome back.
It's my fault.
Honey, welcome back.
It's my fault. It's my fault
back.
that allowed your sister to come and live in this house after her husband kicked her out.
Welcome back. Now go inside and change your clothes. I'm coming. Let me deal with her first. Confidence, get out of my house. What are you doing there? Please leave. Leave. You're so wicked.
Enjoy your marriage.
I regret ever bringing you to this house.
You think he's not cheating because
Come on,
yes, you caught me. He's cheating on you, but when you find out, it will
You're still
probably
talking.
be too late.
Come on, get out.
It will be too late.
Get out. What? Imagine somebody I accommodated in my own house want to now destroy my own marriage. God. Honey.